Oh, what do we have here? She refuses to get out of the car, so they drag her out.
Hey. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
We in Atlanta with it.
Because you have one headlight up there. My name's Officer Kramer, Sandy Springs Police.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes.
Thank you. Do you know you had a headlight out?
Yes.
You did know? Okay. You working on getting it fixed?
I am, yes.
Okay. All right. Give me just a minute. I'm coming right back to you.
Okay.
When officers ran her driver's license, they uncovered even more violations.
Suspended, no valid insurance. Nissans.
Followed by that the female has someone en route to the location that possibly going to harm her.
Oh, that your record shows the vehicle doesn't have insurance. Do you have insurance?
Further.
And go from there. It's suspended anyways and expired.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So, your tag is suspended for lack of insurance. Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Hell no. Your ass going to jail.
No.
You don't have insurance on the vehicle?
No.
It's
So
cold
what's
as hell
going
in
on?
here.
Okay, so honestly, I was waiting until I got paid, and I did today. Because I was having issues because my direct deposit got sent to the wrong account. So I was waiting
See, what happened was she got a chicken in the savings.
to pay it. Because I go e-drive services. I was going to pay the full amount today. That was my plan. So I had to wait 2 weeks to get paid. Because I haven't been like this until I haven't got paid.
I got you. Where are you working?
I work at on perimeter.
Okay.
That's why I usually pay it from the e-drive services. I was gonna pay the $200.
Did you get paid today?
I did, yes.
Okay. Give me a minute. I'm going to come back to you, okay?
Okay.
I would have been like, I just got paid, though.
After hearing about her paycheck issues, one officer considered cutting her a break. But his partner looked deeper and uncovered that she was a habitual offender who pulled this kind of thing all the time.
You the big.
It's not her first one.
No. So you don't think give her the opportunity to get insurance in front of me?
Midnight. No.
Okay.
I about to say, oh, you know what? She can do it online, but they still gotta do it. Yeah. I ain't gonna cap though. I got insurance at like 9 o'clock at night one time. I'm not gonna even cap to you.
She does it all the time. No.
Yeah.
No, that's, there you go. Now you get suspended registration, no insurance, expired tag. Those are 3 tickets, and then you can give her a warning for your initial stop, which was deadly.
Oh, she just don't give a.
Yes, ready?
You going to jail? You going to jail?
Yeah.
Beep beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep?
This is for you.
It's towing the car.
I have to. I don't have a choice.
Even though
Suspended registration. I don't have a choice.
I just paid it and paid
Even
my
if you
insurance.
have insurance on it, with the registration being suspended, it's an arrestable offense.
No, I just
How the fuck is your registration getting suspended? How the fuck do you even let that happen?
paid it.
I know the registration you couldn't have though
No, I literally just paid the $160 for the registration.
for insurance. You
No,
had to get insurance. There's no way you fix registration.
I'm doing the insurance now.
For knowingly driving without insurance, I have to tow the vehicle. I have these for you to sign. Remember, you're not admitting to guilt when you sign this thing. You're saying that you will appear at this court date. This is the address for the court date. Take that for me there. This is the address for the court date. All right, and this is the time. Okay.
Was she in the Marines or something?
Sign right here at the bottom. And it's not admission of guilt. It is just saying that you will appear at that court date. Get everything of value out of the car. So that,
Can I have someone pick me up?
yes, yeah, of
That
course.
was for-
I've got a few more for you here. Same spot. And once more. You don't want them taking a whole bunch of your stuff with you though, so make sure you get everything of value out of the car with you.
They sound like they about to put the car up at auction. Shit.
And I'm going to give you these bottom three. I can't let the car leave. I'm sorry. My hands are tied.
But it's saying it's on there now. I just
I know.
paid it.
I can't let the car drive off. My hands are tied here. I don't have a choice. I'm sorry.
It just cleared. I just cleared it.
I know. I can't let the car drive off. I'm telling you, my hands are tied. Because it's when I stop the car for suspended registration, it's much worse.
That's because I had to pay the down. I just paid it.
And because of lack of insurance is what it's suspended for. I just don't have a choice.
I just paid for both of them.
I know. I don't have a choice here. I'm sorry. If you would grab everything of value out, and
I have to stand outside.
Yes.
Can I call my aunt?
yes, until you get
I can't stand the rain.
until you get a ride here.
It's my window.
Just get everything of value out of it.
Do I have to stand outside?
Yes, you can.
I don't want to stand outside.
Yeah, that's what. Damn, that shit was fucked up. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
You're free to stay under this hanging here until your ride gets here. So you don't have to stand out in the rain.
Or you go in the gas station.
Either way.
Do you have anything valuable you need to get out of your car besides your bag there?
All right, man. We get everything of value out. Or you got it packed up at least.
Why is she not talking no more? I don't like that. They'll be more than patient with her.
That's what?
Okay, pick up the phone.
Yeah. From this place. I'm gonna give you a case card that has all the info on it. You gotta step out with me.
Even if I paid it,
Yes, ma'am. Step out with me. I'm going to give you a case card. It's got the location of your vehicle where you can pick it up.
Why she ain't got out the car yet?
And
All right,
you still
ma'am.
making an effort to get out of the car. Okay, you still got your seatbelt on, you're sitting in there. The only thing you're going to do is make a bad situation worse. Okay? So you need to start getting out of the car. Are you talking to me? Because you're talking to the car and I can't hear a thing you're saying.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
no, I'm not standing outside at night.
Man, you have to get out of the vehicle.
No, I don't.
Ma'am,
I paid for mine.
I've asked you to step out of the vehicle. Now I'm going to tell you to step out of the vehicle. And if you refuse to step out,
Y'all gonna kill me because I'm black?
I have to remove
They
you
didn't say nothing about killing you. They just asked you to get out the car. Just get told.
from the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
This is the last time I'm going to tell you. If you refuse to step out of the vehicle, I'm going to have to remove you from the vehicle.
Are y'all gonna kill me because I'm black? Is that what y'all doing?
I'm going to remove you from the vehicle.
It's not because you black. It's because you not listening, babe. That's all that is.
You coming out?
No, I'm not.
All right, ma'am.
Now she was moving the bag out the way so he can have more room.
Let go of the bag.
Let go of it.
Leave me the. Y'all better stop.
Go to the
Stop. Stop.
Go of the bag, man.
Oh, here we go. Don't you just love when people turn a simple ticket into an arrest?
I got the bag. Y'all get there. Take the bag with you. You're under arrest.
Why would you want to get put on that wet ass ground? The concrete cold as hell and wet.
You're under arrest. Give me your arm. Give me your other arm. Right now.
This was so dumb. All you had to do was get out the car. What was so hard about listening?
No, get control first.
Give me my phone.
Let go.
Give me my phone.
This was so dumb.
Y'all hurt my fucking leg.
Because you're fighting.
If you would comply,
Give me.
Keyword comply.
arrest for obstruction.
Y'all make my fucking leg.
Pick the location.
You're hurting my leg. You're hurting my leg.
Should have gotten out of the car when we told you to the first time.
Ah, you're hurting my leg.
Here. 029.
Ah, you're hurting my leg. Get off the fucking thing.
You call when you get to the jail. Search her from the car.
Ah, you're hurting my leg. Ah, you're hurting my wrist.
You got
Ah, you're hurting my wrist. You're hurting my wrist.
You have anything on you that's gonna poke me or stick me?
Hey, I thought a female was supposed to be doing that.
Ma'am.
She was charged with suspended registration, disorderly conduct, and no insurance, then transported to Fulton County Jail.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.